What's up, guys? Welcome to Undertale part 7. This video is an Undertale video. Let's continue. And the waterfall. Let's go here. Oh, what's up, Sans? I'm thinking about getting into telescope business. It's normal 50,000 G to use this premium telescope, but since I know you can use it for free. How's about this? Use the telescope. Actually, no, because we have already tried one, so we'll come back whenever you want. Okay, let's go and check here. Oh, the nice green guy again. I relocated my store, but there's still no customers. Fortunately, I thought of a solution. Punch cards. Every time you buy nice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you had 3 cards, you can trade them for a free nice cream. They're sure to get the customers to come back. Nice cream, it's frozen treat, what warms your heart. Okay, now just 25. Yeah. Super. Here you go. Your card is in the box. You got the nice cream. Okay, so the card is in this box. Box contains 1 card. Take a card. Take. You got a punch card. Okay. Let's walk here. And let's actually go here. I want to look what is here, because Undertale part 7. We need to play the game. For you guys. Let's check a lot. Oh my. I was saying that let's check around a bit, but let's flee this fight. Okay, let's check around a bit and okay. So that's magic water, I think. That light blue thing. Okay, let's go down. Ring. Hello, this is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery. But I bet you knew that already. And because you knew that, I told her what you told me you were wearing. A crush bandage. Because I knew, of course, after such a suspicious question, you would obviously change your clothes. You're such a smart cookie. This way you're safe, and I didn't lie. No betrayal anywhere. Being friends with everyone is easy. Okay. Let's walk here. Oh, you walk into Mold Small. Spare! Yay, I spared. You won. You earned 0 XP and 0 gold. Okay, nice. I'm rich. Oh, no, not actually. Okay, let's walk here. Look what's here. Okay, this is something. Yes, this is something. I'm not sure what, but oh my gosh, I hate this fight. Washua, sorry, I'm gonna flee. Because, So, wait, I'm gonna change the place where I'm recording this. So yeah, let's continue. Hey there, not think you were here. I'm Anison. Anison, you here? Okay, see ya. You're visiting waterfall? Huh, it's great here. Huh, you love it? Huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite. Okay. Freak, I have to change the recording place. Okay, let's change. Actually, let's change to be here. Okay, even though the waterfall is getting shallow here, I have to sit down all the time. But hey, that's okay. It beats moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium, like all my friends did. Okay. And the aquarium's full anyway. So even if I wanted to, that's okay though. You hear? Einstein's gonna fix everything, I hear. You hear? I'm gonna get out of here. I'll live in the ocean. You hear? Yeah, I hear. Hey there. That's the end of this room. I'll see you around. Have a good time. In waterfall. Okay, let's continue our way in the waterfall. Oh my gosh. Sharon, check. Sharon, 7 attack, 2 defense. 10 D. She's too ashamed to sing her deadly song. So it's okay. Okay, let's flee. Yeah, let's flee. Let's now go up here. It's a piano. If it's a piano, I have to make noise to my game. There's a piano here. Play it. What's this song? I'm not sure. It's like okay, I don't know. Let's walk here. Let's go here and continue our way. Okay. Wait, what? It's like a statue. It's a statue. The structures are. Its feet seem dry. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Take an umbrella. Take one. Okay. You took an umbrella. No. Okay, I have an umbrella now. Yeah, here's raining in this area. Oh, that's... Yeah, did you get an umbrella? Awesome! Let's go. You're not even under it. Still, I see you're pretty wet, so... Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats up bad guys and never loses. If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night, knowing she was going to beat me up. Okay, I'm gonna pause now because my friend's there and okay, let's pause. Okay, let's continue. Let's go down and down. Yeah, that kid is following me. So one time, we had a school project where we had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flower. He ended up coming to school and teaching the class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yeah, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers? Not actually. Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to even hurt an innocent person. Okay. Ooh, is that the king's castle? Because that guy told me about the king. And maybe that's his castle. What am I now thinking? Yo, this ledge is way too steep. Yo, you wanna see Undyne, right? Put up your umbrella and climb on my shoulders. Yo, you aren't going to able to climb with an umbrella. Oh yeah, I have to return the umbrella. Put back. Okay. Yo, you go ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through. Okay. Oh, he fell down. Well, let's continue. Okay, it was the sound of muffled rain is on the cow top. It fills you with determination. Okay, this was a pretty, not a super long episode, but still, see you in episode 8. And until next time, bye!